Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you delete your account from Netflix. To delete your account from Netflix, you must first of all cancel your membership. So this deletion won't happen or won't be available using your app. So you have to use the browser version. So type in netflix.com. So once you type in netflix.com, it's going to take you to their official page. So click on it and sign into your account. After which, on the browser, you simply want to go ahead and select the profile initials from the top right corner of your screen. Alright, then next you want to find the membership and the billing or membership section and click cancel membership options. Then on the next field, you simply want to tap on the confirm button. Your Netflix account will remain active until the end of your current billing period, after which it will be automatically cancelled. And this is the way you could delete your Netflix account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.